This is a journey. This is a journey which along the way will bring to you new color, new dimension, new value.
Hey everybody, Nat Pham here, speaker, author, and chief strategist here at SuccessWorks. Today I want to talk to you about the CIA method. That is the CIA method to success and happiness. And that is control, influence, and accept. A sales manager taught me a long time ago, whatever situation you're in now, think about it if you can control it, if you can influence it, or do you have to accept it? So in the business world, if you're in sales, the things that you can control are what time you get to work every day, how many calls you make, how many follow-ups you do. Your influence, that's being prepared to have your sales talk ready, your presentation ready, your case studies. Ultimately, in the end though, where the customer says yes or no, you have to accept that. Okay? You can keep on trying, but you're going to have to accept their answer, whether it's in your personal life. If your parents or your spouse says yes or no or something, you got to pretty much accept it. But you can influence it by giving them the scenarios, why that would be a good case, or you can control the things that you can control by doing the best you can, taking care of whatever it is that you need to take care of. So whether it's in your personal life or in your business life, consider the CIA method. So if you're upset about something, see if it's something you can control. What can you influence, and ultimately, in the end, what it is that you have to accept. You do those three things, and you'll be on your way to a much more successful and happier life. Trust me, I've had to deal with that exact same situation. So till we see each other again, be successful.
A journey which along the way will bring to you new color, new dimension, new value.